one-story house design with 3 rooms that is very effective in using its space. Watch to the end. Although this house design is simple, it is expected to be able to meet the needs of a one-story house with 3 bedrooms. At the front of the fencing we use a wall fence with split accents. Then for moving parts using steel frame with wood or planks. For the lower part of the terrace, we use coarse ceramic so it is not easily slippery. The carport roof uses steel framing and polycarbonate, where we also use concrete slab. For the sills we use aluminum frames with glass windows and doors. On the lower part of the roof, you can use natural stone ornaments and gray walls, while the roof covering uses lightweight steel construction and flat concrete roof tiles. This is the scene when we are at the front of the building. Now we enter the carport area, which is designated for 1 car and 2 motorbikes. This is the patio area with wide glass doors. Entering the living room on the right, we can see that there is a fish pond and a front fence wall which also serves as a barrier for privacy. From this living room area, we can access the dining area behind it, which is bordered by the family room area on the other end. So the living room, dining room and family room are areas that can flow from one room to another. This family room area is also adjacent to the side garden, so it is hoped that natural light and air can enter properly. Here is the dining area. Then we enter the child's bedroom in the back, where there is a window leading to the back garden. There is a bed, wardrobe and study table. Then we go to the front and we find this front child's bedroom. For the completeness of the furniture, it is no different from the other room. We continue back to the family living room. Here we see the atmosphere in the side garden area. From the family living room we can access the kitchen, which is in a separate room. Here is a cabinet with a kitchen sink, and there are stoves with grills. On one side of the window can be equipped with a table. From the dining room, we can access the main bedroom with views of the back garden. Here you can put a queen-size bed with a television and wardrobe. With this arrangement, of course, you have to add curtains. Okay, we continue again from our dining room to the back garden area where there is a public bathroom. So for children and guests may use this bathroom, which is located a little outside. From the bathroom we headed to the back, where in the corner there is a washing and drying area. From the family room we can access the side garden area. Where the side garden there is access to the carport so that it can be a side door. And this is what the overall design of this house. A few pointers in this design. We can make a wide opening to the front with a high fencing so that privacy is maintained. There is opening from the main bedroom to the laundry area. It can be bordered by walls and plants. Hopefully this design is useful. And for those who haven't subscribed, consider subscribe to get many updates from this channel.